Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're shedding light on your safety with the ultimate guide to the best flashlights for self-defense. Stay tuned as we illuminate the top choices to empower you and keep you safe. Let's get started. Number 1. Streamlight Flashlight, your ultimate self-defense companion. Flashlight Flexed Biceps. This powerhouse of illumination is not just a flashlight, it's a beacon of safety in the palm of your hand. With its blinding brightness and sleek design, it's your first line of defense against the darkness. Whether you're walking alone at night or facing an emergency situation, this flashlight empowers you with confidence. Its sturdy build and reliable grip ensure it won't slip away when you need it the most. Illuminate your path and protect yourself with Streamlight, where innovation meets security. Don't just own a flashlight, own peace of mind. Number 2. PowerTac's revolutionary flashlight redefines self-defense with its unmatched brilliance and tactical precision. Imagine holding the power of 1,000 suns in your hand. That's the intensity of PowerTac. This extraordinary tool is not just a flashlight, it's your ultimate shield in the dark. Its blinding brightness pierces through shadows, leaving no room for fear. Crafted with durability and innovation, it empowers you to navigate the night with confidence. The sleek design fits perfectly in your hand, ready to unleash its power at your command. Don't just shine a light, radiate supremacy. Choose PowerTac, your unwavering guardian in the dark. Number 3. Saber Flashlight, your ultimate self-defense companion. This sleek, powerful device is a game-changer in personal safety. Imagine a flashlight that not only illuminates the darkest corners, but also empowers you with unmatched security. With its blinding brightness and durable construction, this tool is your first line of defense. It's not just a flashlight, it's your shield in the night, your guardian on the go. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy to handle in any situation. Don't just light up your path, light up your confidence. Stay safe, stay prepared, and shine brightly with the Saber Flashlight, your trusty safeguard in the dark. Number 4. Disorient Flashlight, your ultimate self-defense companion. Flashlight Flexed Biceps. This sleek and powerful gadget is not just a flashlight, it's a game changer. Imagine a beam so intense it can light up the darkest night, blinding any potential threat. But that's not all. Its robust design doubles as a sturdy self-defense tool, giving you unmatched confidence in any situation. Crafted for reliability and engineered for safety, this flashlight is your ticket to peace of mind. With Disorient, you're not just holding a flashlight, you're holding the key to your safety. Illuminate your path, empower your spirit, and defend your peace, all in the palm of your hand. Don't just survive, thrive with Disorient. Number 5. Illuminate Flashlight, your ultimate self-defense companion. This sleek, powerful tool packs a punch with its blinding brightness, making it a must-have for personal safety. Designed with precision, Illuminate offers a comfortable grip and easy-to-use features, ensuring quick access in any situation. Its long-lasting battery life guarantees reliable performance when you need it the most. Whether you're walking alone at night or exploring the great outdoors, this flashlight is your trusty sidekick, illuminating your path and empowering you with confidence. Upgrade your safety game with Illuminate, your beacon of strength in the darkness. In conclusion, choosing the right flashlight for self-defense is crucial for personal safety. We've explored top options that combine power, durability, and functionality. Remember, the best flashlight empowers you with confidence and security. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide has helped you make an informed decision to protect yourself effectively. Stay safe.